Recording in progress.
Amen. Happy Monday. How y'all doing? Good to see you here today. It's good to be back. Good to be back on the live streams. Welcome, welcome. Welcome in, everybody. Feeling blessed and highly favored today. That's right, Rob Trades. Let's go. It's contagious, man. It's contagious. Yeah. When the spirit gets out there, it's a wrap. Sergio TTE Bank Santos in the house. What up, Sergio? What up, Gotta Trade? What up, Rich Royal? Z Gamers in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Legrand? Louis G. What up, Louis G? Alexandros. What's up, brother? How y'all doing? Everybody good? You guys have a good weekend? Happy Monday. Good to be back at the desk with you all. Yep, W's in the chat. We got W's coming in today. W's going out. W's all throughout this session here today. It's going to be a good one. It's going to be a good week. I'm excited for a new week. Hope you guys are excited. And I really hope you guys had a good weekend, man. Ewan, what up, Ewan? Good morning, Jeanette. Time to delete. Hey, Dennis Hood's in the house. What up, Dennis Hood? Hero of the day is here. Let's go. What up, Stephen B? What up, PM Magnifico? Where all the mods at? We got mods here today. We do a little modding. Louis G in the house. JFX, what up, brother? What's up, Jake? All right. Let me send the Zoom link out here, and we're gonna get this thing popping. All right. Zoom. Let me share my screen. What up, Lucas? How you doing, brother? How are you? Boot camp of the year. Hey, yo. Hey, chat. We had a wonderful weekend here. Man, that boot camp was insane. We'll talk more about that later, but damn, that was crazy. That was off the charts. Chicago in the house. What's up, Jonathan? What up, George VDM? What up, Mike Co? What's good? All right, let's do it. So Zoom link is out, so all my Zoomers can come on in. All right, looks like you guys are coming in now. All right. All right, let's get it going. Y'all ready? You guys like the stream? As you settle in here today, give the stream a like for me. Wow, chat. 19,000 views I just seen here on Wednesday's live stream. Wow. Holy. Yeah, this is the warm-up, gang. I want you guys to know. I want you guys to hear me very clearly. 11/27/2023. You have only seen the warm-up. We haven't even... No, I'm sorry. We're just stretching out. Yeah. We haven't even warmed up yet, gang. We haven't even warmed up yet. So we're just stretching out here in 2023. 2024 should be the warm-up. And, man, it's going to get crazy. All right. Let me lower the music a little bit here, and we will get started. Yeah, we'll get started here. What do we do here again? We do like trading or something? That's right. I forgot how to live stream here real quick. Hold on. All right. The music is low. I think we're good. I'm so curious of what went down in the boot camp. Oh, you have to find out on the next one. Yeah. All right, cool. Let's get the day started, gang. Thank you guys for liking the stream. I appreciate it. We're gonna get the day started here. It is the what is it here? What is it? The 27th of November. So we are cruising along through the month here. 27th of November. Monthly candle is gonna close here in a couple days. I think 3 or 4 days. And then we're good to go. We're going to move on into December, which is the last month of the year, which is awesome. Let's pray. Let's pray. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you for another amazing day, Father. I pray that you would go before all of us here and bless this week, bless this day, Lord. Let every trade we take be blessed by you. For those that don't believe that you can affect the markets, Lord, we believe it's false. We believe that you control it all, and we thank you for blessing us. We thank you for going forth and giving us knowledge and wisdom that we need in order to become successful, prosperous, and live out for your kingdom, Lord. We thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. All right. Watching your ads. Oh, I don't have any ads, do I? Thank you, Pit Bill. Thank you, Pit Bill. Thank you for the prayer reminder. Trust me, y'all all already covered in prayer before we start this, but it's great to pray on stream. Yeah. Big W for the boot camp. Learned so much. Awesome. Awesome. Amen. Amen. Well, now that we got the most important part of the day out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on here with the news here for this week, and let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on the charts, and let's have a day here, man. Let's have a great day. So, again, today is the 27th of November. It is another day. It is another opportunity to be disciplined, to be professionals here in the market, and that is what we will do. So let's go ahead and take a look at the forecast here on Forex Factory and see what is ahead of us here this week in the news. So Monday is 27th here today. Doesn't look like we have anything here in the headlines for us on gold or US dollar outside of this 10 a.m. new home sales. It's very odd that it's on a Monday here, but yeah, that's it. That's just an orange folder at 10 a.m. That's going to be later on in the session, so we're pretty clear right around NY Open, NYSE Open, all that good stuff. And 10 a.m. is going to be the news here today. Shouldn't be too crazy. Shouldn't be too crazy. Orange folder. As we move into Tuesday, though, it gets a bit darker here, right? So we got a red folder here with consumer confidence. You also have this manufacturing index. We have someone speaking with the Fed. Oh, a lot of speakers on the Fed here starting 10 a.m. on Tuesday. So that's tomorrow. So that should be interesting, but we're pretty clear again throughout the majority of the session here. So on Tuesday, so we should be good. Again, news at 10 a.m. both days. Let's go ahead and look at Wednesday. So Wednesday, as you guys can see, we have a red folder here with the prelims coming in at 8:30. So that'll be midway through the week, and then we run into a bunch of news here towards the tail end of the session. So crude oil inventories, all this other good stuff. Little yellow folders, but the main one here is this red folder at 8:30 here on Wednesday. So that's also the 29th. And then Thursday, which is the 30th, which is the last day of the month here, we've obviously got unemployment claims. We've got core PCE price index coming in as well at 8:30, and then news all throughout the session here on Thursday. Typical Thursday, nothing new to us. We're obviously just going to follow price action, be patient, and let news come out and all that good stuff. And then Friday's the 1st. So we have unemployment rate. So we have NFP here Friday. No. Interesting. So yeah, so no NFP here on Friday. I believe we must be getting it on the following Friday. So all right, well, we do have unemployment change. This is for the CAD, unemployment rates for the CAD, and then, yeah, just ISM, PMI. So that is the week here in terms of the news, man. So really not much in our way this week. We should have a really smooth end of the month of November. We've been doing great this month. Shout out to all you guys that have been being just disciplined and professional in your approach to the markets. That's all it takes, man. That's all it takes. Don't complicate the game too much. Just got to be patient. Just got to be disciplined. Wait for what you have planned out, right? And then go ahead and execute. So as we talk about that, let's go ahead and see what we can plan out here today on this lovely Monday. Let's go ahead and open up the charts here. Let me bring my toolbox down. Set this up. Yeah, I think we're good. And yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the charts here. Let me, yeah, we're on the monthly chart. Let's talk about this. Y'all ready? Quick breakdown. Storm Player in the house. What up, Storm Player? Hey, TK. What up, TK? All right. Let's do a quick breakdown here on gold. Let's see where we're at, gang. Taking a look at this monthly time frame here, we noticed that we have started to creep back up in these all-time high areas, right? These all-time highs, right? So we're creeping in these areas. You see the rejection, you see the rejection, lots of rejection in this area. This is the all-time high right here on gold. So this high right here is going to be your all-time high on gold, and that is currently the range that we are trying to tap into. Again, this monthly candle here closes in 3 days. Really four days, so 4 more New York sessions on this candle, but we do know that we are in this rejection zone here. So now we're breaking the highs here, right? So if we are going to push up, right, if we are going to push up to retest this area here, then there's a very high chance we get going now, right? We're going to get going this week. There's not much time left in this candle. So, you know, we've got to get going here. So if we do break the high, which we've done, and we continue pushing up, there's a very high chance we will fill this wick here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the weekly and see what that is, right? We know one thing we also know about the monthly time frame is that you did have a resistance right here, and price did close below that resistance, right? If you guys look and see where this monster candle closed, although it closed strong bullish, we still closed below resistance, right? And we talked about this candle potentially moving up, but maybe not closing above it, right? So we'll see if we can get a push up here today based off of what the lower time frames are talking about. But as you know, we did close strong bullish, therefore we are bullish. But let's keep in mind where we are, right? We're below that resistance here. We're in a high level of rejection here in these all-time highs. And that's how we're going to basically anticipate where this candle should go next. So let's go ahead and take a look at the lower time frame. Let's see what the weekly is doing, because we are off to a new weekly candle here. And one thing we notice is that if we look at the weekly chart, that the same thing goes for the weekly, right? You had this resistance level right here, and price closed below, right? Price closed below this range here. You had a resistance, you have another resistance over here, and we did close below here. So we don't have any bottom wick on this candle just yet. Seems like we just started off and just started running here yesterday. I don't know exactly what happened. I did see some big bullish candle or something that went down. I'm not sure why, but it looks like we just blasted off right away, and we have yet to make a bottom wick. We are tapping into this resistance level here, and let's see what we're gonna do at this point. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily time frame and see how can we plan our positions today, right? How can we take positions in the market here today? Well, you know, daily candle is pumping up pretty nicely here. It looks like we have tapped into this resistance level. You guys see this resistance over here on the right left hand side? It looks like we have tapped into this zone here, right here. And will we continue going? That is up to the lower time frames, right? But we know we tapped in. Again, very, very little to no bottom wick here. And I don't know, you know, I think price could reject here. If we get we're going to take a look at this on the lower time frame, see what closures we can look for here, but we may reject with no bottom wick. You know, we may start to reject in this area. So although we did close bullish, we are going to be bullish on the day. I could see potentially price moving up here to 2035. But man, we got very little to no bottom wick here. So we'll let's take a look at what this looks like on the 4-hour chart and see how we can plan our opportunities. So it looks like we have a support formed on the 4-hour. There's this is the candle I was talking about right here. So it looks like there's a wick to fill here, right? So 4-hour candle came up, pushed up, came down, created this support level, and now this candle here should end up, right, according to price action, this candle right here, after making this bottom wick, should move up and fill this wick, right? And we took a trade like this on, what was that? Friday, Tuesday or Wednesday, right? We took a trade like this where we anticipated the 4-hour wick fill and executed off the 30-minute time frame. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 30-minute time frame here, see what we got going on. So it looks like we've got a support that's being formed. We also have somewhat of a resistance right here, and this is the current range that you're trading in. Looks like price tried to make a support and move up here, and that looks pretty good on the 1-hour too, with a support there for this candle to move up, but nothing there, right? Nothing there. So now we're just ranging on the 30-minute time frame here. So this is your current range that you are trading in on the 30-minute time frame. Let's go ahead and measure the range real quick. It's about a 25 pip range, so nothing too crazy. We're gonna let price range here. We're gonna let it find its footing, and then we're gonna look to take position. So the way I'm gonna look to take positions here today on gold is gonna look for range 2 sells, right? Because we're very bullish here, right? We don't want to just jump in on sells right away. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna wait for range 2 sells below 2012 here. So right below 2012, that's where my range 2 sells are going to be. Yeah, range 2 sells right here. And then if we end up moving below 2008 here, then I will take sells moving down to retrace this move all the way back down to 2020. So that's what I'm going to look at. Now the buys, in terms of buys here, let's go ahead and measure this range above here. This is about a 18, it's like a 30 pip range here. So let's go ahead and look left, see what else is available for us here on the buys. Let's take a look at what this is. Yeah, this is pretty much your range here. So you got like a 25, 30 pip range. I think it's a tradable range. I think it's pretty good. We're very bullish on the day. If we end up breaking the daily highs again, then you should come up. This is the 4-hour wick fill. So yeah, I think if the 4-hour does end up breaking its own high here, with closures above this 30-minute resistance, then I think there's a high chance we come up and fill this wick, probably right up to 2017 6 or 2017 700 here. That's going to be that wick fill. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good. I think if we can break the highs here, that'll be perfect, and we'll take our buys moving up with the higher time frames. And yeah, and that's probably going to be it. Going to be patient here today, just like every day, and just sit tight and wait for my move. Yeah, pretty simple. Pretty simple. So let me clone this over. These are going to be range 2 sells, and then I'll just take simple sells now below 2008 here. Sells. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Yep. That is it. Done. Done working today. Yep. If you can get really good at reading the markets, reading the charts, sticking to your playbook, being disciplined and being consistent and all that, that's the work of the day. Right? How long was that? 10 minutes? 10-minute workday, gang. Now I get to just sit and chill. Yep. After the boot camp, I understand range 2 better. Oh, nice. Yeah, shout out to everyone in the boot camp, man. That was awesome. I was personally blown away. We really did, you know, Sam and Rafi, they did an excellent job. I hope you guys learned a lot. I truly believe that you can look back at that. I really want to hear about the stories of people looking back on that weekend and saying, damn, that was the turning point. That's when it all changed for me. That's when I heard one little thing that sparked my engine, and that was it. From that point on, it was all out. What up, Rapid Max? Oh, nice, Jaden. Beautiful. Is it risky to go long here, considering the resistance and specifically the all-time highs? Thought it could be temporary push. Yeah, so with this push up, so remember, this is the range that I want to trade, right? So this is where I'm looking to take the piece of the pie, right? So this is a nice range here to trade. If you get a closure above and you start, remember this high right here is the previous 4-hour high as well, and all I really want is this wick fill, right? So I'll probably close partials right here and hold on for the potential wick fill. So I'm not trying to get the boom 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 outer space move here, you know. I'm just looking to secure my 20 pips and call it a day. So I think we could expect, if we do close above, I think we could expect the push at least until 2017 before any sort of rejection or anything like that. Yeah, it's like 18, 19 pips up. Yeah, we could also look for fake outs down here. Yep. Yeah, so I would expect to see maybe some sort of a fake out, like somewhere within this range here. Right in, like, somewhere within here. Some sort of a fake out, right? For price to shoot back up. But we'll see. Maybe this is the fake out here. Right here. Yeah, this right here could potentially be the fake out. Right here. So you had these levels right here, and then you had a candle close below, and now you have another candle back into the range here. So I think if you do get a close back above here, then price should be good to fill that wick there. Yeah. Yep. Boot camp was fire. Hey, SG80. Yeah, it was good to have all you guys. It was awesome to be in like a smaller setting too. You know, I think there was like 200 people, 200 or so, and it was awesome to just be in a smaller group setting for a little bit. Like, how many people are here now? Probably have like over 1,000, right? Yeah, 1,500 people here. So, yeah. So, yeah, it was pretty cool to be just with 200 people and just kind of like that fireside chat and being able to keep it real. You know, I mean, we keep it real here, but being able to keep it realer. Yeah. When will the recordings come out? The recordings are going to come out this week. So, probably by Wednesday, you guys should have those in your email. Yeah, probably by Wednesday. I'll keep you guys posted here. Yeah. Oh, nice. Nice, Josephine. Awesome, awesome. TK needs so much more credit, man. Yeah, TK, yo, shout out to that guy. That guy TK is really that guy, I'm telling you. He TK does a lot of stuff for the community here, gang. A lot of things that go down behind the scenes. He really makes me look good. Because he does a lot of work for us. So yeah, shout out to TK and even the rest of the guys. Sam, obviously, Rafi, even John. John's been holding this thing down for since February. So shout out to all those guys, man. But yeah, TK, big W, man. Big W, TK. Thanks for all you do. TK's the man behind why the stream looks so good and why the reels look so good and why the Zoom is functioning properly, while everyone got their emails, right? If it wasn't for TK, man, it would have been a crazy show going on. Yeah, you're right. You're right. What up, LeGrand? LeGrand in the house. Yeah, you guys really got everything you need to really go out there and be successful. Yanosh. Let's go, Yanosh. You really do, right? We really hit hard on technicals. We hit hard on price action. We hit hard on our playbook and our style of trading, right? You got the fundamental game down. Sam literally spilt the gems. And then Rafi just hit on things that, you know, are so important, man, in life, in trading, in anything, man, in everything. So, you know, we talk about some of that stuff here, but to hear from him in the boot camp was just incredible, you know, with slideshows and all that good stuff. It was awesome. Can't wait to rewatch. Yeah, that was good. It was good. Happy Monday, Nick. Hey, what's up, Winnie? Blessed for life. FX Silverino was there. Yeah, he was in the house taking notes. I seen you taking notes. We need a boot camp done every quarter. Yeah, that would be nice. We'll see if we can put that in the mix. I know there's a lot of people who wanted to be there, but maybe excuse me, maybe didn't have enough time to register and all that. So oh, Classic Traders in the house. What up, Classic? What's Gucci? What's Gucci? Took a lot of notes. Yeah, I hope you guys took a lot of notes. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Wow. All right, gold. Yeah, the daily, look at the daily candle here. We tapped right into that wick. See that wick right there? So we were bullish. We pushed up, we tapped into whatever zone this is here, right? And look at the way this candle closed here. Holy moly. Right? We were bullish. We moved bullish. We tapped into that zone. And the daily candle closed like this. Sheesh. Wow. So yeah, our daily candle here today has tapped into that area there, that 2018. So we'll see. We'll see if we reject from there or what the deal is. We got NY open here in 30 minutes. My hand still hurts from taking notes. Let's go. Yeah, we really try to over-deliver, man. We really try to over-deliver on basically everything we do. So I love the feedback. It's really good to hear. New York Open is actually at 820. I actually like that. I like the way you put that. That's kind of true. That's kind of true. Oh, look at this. 30-minute candle close below. Wow. So, yeah, we know we're not taking sells here. We've already planned this out. If you guys want to take sells, go ahead. I'm not going to take sells here. This is where I'm going to wait for a range 2. If we do get below 08, though, I will take position. Shout out to 2008. 08 holds weight. That was the year I graduated high school. Who was born in 2008? Oh, who was born the year I graduated high school? Been doing it. Yo, what up? Rafi's in the house. What up, Rafi? Good morning, bro. All right, let's see if we get our fake out here. 1 hour broke the lows here. Broke the lows on the 1 hour. A lot of sellers, I'm sure, were activated on these lows there. So let's see what happens. Rafi blew our minds, yeah. Rafi came in. Hey, we did some meditation exercises as well over the weekend. It was good, man. It was really good. It was almost like a retreat. Imagine if we were all together doing this retreat. That would be sick. That'll come in the future. Yeah, that'll be in the future. I'm in 2008. Let's go. Oh yeah, Rafi's packing for his US trip. Yeah. Let's see. Hey, Nick, hope you're doing well. Yes, I am. Just want to know why you're not considering range 2 sells on the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute. Let's take a look at it. Yeah, well, we didn't close below anyway. So Yeah, and then I probably wouldn't take this because there's another pretty strong support like 10 pips away, and then all this choppiness here, right? A lot of choppiness here to the left, so I'd rather take my sells below '08 or wait for like a range 2 on the 30-minute. Yeah, and we didn't close below, so it's not a breakout just yet. Oh, 1 sec here. Start recording? Yeah, we good. Yep. Thank you. Thank you, Felix. Hawaii. Feeling a lot more confidence in the market now. Oh, nice. What up, Dominic? Good to see you, bro. May I ask you a question? Why did you not take a sell trade? Because we're very bullish. Very bullish here. Very bullish on the daily, the 4-hour. Wanna wait for better confirmations for sells. Not too interested in sells here. And here, all this range right here, this whole red box, I'm really not interested in sells. Sells for me are going to be much better if we can actually close below 2008 here, and then I'll take my sells down here. Yeah, you see the clean candle to the left, where before that you have a lot of supports right in here. So I'd rather get through those supports and then have nice clean candles on the left-hand side. And you see the way price moved very smoothly in this range. If you do get a close below, you should move very smoothly as well in that range there. So, yeah. So we'll see. If not, we're pretty bullish, right? We're pretty bullish on the day, so we may go back up here. We may go back up. If we get a fake out here on the 30, then there's most likely a high chance we'll fill that wick there at NY Open and move up. So, yeah. Gonna wait and see if we got a fake out on our hands. Yo, for real. Time to delete. I like that name. TTD. Yeah. Fake out. Fake out. So we're either looking for range 2 sells below here or that potential fake out. I might as well just put like the fake out one, right? Fake out for buys to go back up, and then we'll take our sells below here. So sad I'm not able to join the boot camp. Looking forward to the next one. Yeah, we'll do another one. The feedback on this one has been incredible. So yeah, I'm sure we'll put something together next year, and we'll do something nice. Maybe Q1 next year. A meditation boot camp retreat somewhere. Oh yeah, that'd be sick. Hey, we should go to Bali. We should all go to Bali, or South America, or somewhere. Montana. What up, AB Mike? Good to see you, bro. Show the book you were talking about yesterday. That's that is What to Say When You Talk to Yourself. What to Say When You Talk to Yourself by Dr. Shad Helmstetter. Yeah, I was actually pretty fortunate enough to see him live one time. And man, that weekend blew my mind, because he started talking about how you can, just the way you can program something into Microsoft Word or program something into a computer, you can do the same thing with your own mind and your own brain. And that weekend, that was in like 2013 or 2000. Yeah, I think 2013. And man, ever since then, everything Rafi talked about, ever since then, I've been doing all that type of stuff. And You know, it's no surprise, right? You won't get anywhere without a target, right? So you got to speak life over your dreams and goals, and you got to back it with massive action and belief. Yeah, you'll get there. Yeah, but that was amazing. And, you know, it's true. You know, you really can program your brain. You really can program your mind. You can rewire it. A lot of us are taught certain things growing up, but it doesn't have to stay that way. But you've got to make a conscious decision, right, to change the mindset. Life-changing weekend. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Honduras? Oh, Leo. What up, Leo? Yeah, Honduras. Yeah, it was good to see some of you guys and your faces and, you know, the face behind the username and all that good stuff. So I hope that if anyone from the boot camp's quaking, I know what you look like now. I know what you're looking like, so don't be quaking over there. We already discussed. No more quaking. Would you ever trade AUD USD? Man, AUD USD has a special place in my heart. That was the trade. That was the pair that I took a trade where I truly believed I can do big things here. Man, I made $300. I pressed a button on my phone. And at that time, I was doing, I had my own business, and I was also running some sales stuff. And it was taking me like all day hustling. I'm talking hustling to make $300. And I placed that trade on AUD USD, and within 25 minutes, I was up like $350. Ended up closing it. I turned to my wife. I said, "Baby, we doing this. I'm doing this. I don't care what it takes. I'm gonna master this thing, and we're gonna make money at the just by pressing buttons one day." Yeah, so shout out to AUD USD. Yeah, it was an AUD USD buy. Never forget it. I was in Panera Bread, struggling at the time, had lost a bunch, and just trying to find my footing again and trying to find my place in life. And yeah, that trade really built my belief. Will you be trading all of December? Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. No more quake. We're quake free after Rafi's meditation. As a beginner, what should you do? I would. So what I did was the funding companies weren't really too big at that point. So what I did was I just funded my own accounts, you know, for a long time, for about 2 years. And I just learned that way. You know, there was a lot of, you know, with the real money, that'll bring in real life emotion. So you really get to learn well. You know, I would just do these little $500 accounts for a while and blow them and learn and blow and learn and adjust and, you know, find my my rhythm there. And then the funded companies came out. So once I was pretty consistently profitable on my live account, then I went to funding. And, you know, it took me a couple tries, but eventually I got it. And you know, had a 100K account or a few 100K accounts for like 2.5 years that really made a difference. I don't think I could have made the income on a regular, you know, $1,000 account. So yeah, I would say in the beginning, it's probably best to work with your own money, learn those things, find out what emotions are triggered in your trading and make the adjustments. And then once you feel like you're pretty consistent, then maybe go for like a 6-figure funded account. Yeah, the funding companies helped me get my my over trading and over leveraging in check too with their rules. So they have certain rules, and a lot of people complain about them, but I personally, I thought that they helped mold me into being a little bit more professional on the charts. Yeah, the way I treated it was like, hey, like this firm is looking to scout some traders, and if they could have traders that can, you know, do whatever it was, 10%, 8%, you know, then they'd be willing to give me capital. So I started treating things a lot more serious with a lot more professionalism. Yeah. Excuse me. How many lots did I risk on my live 100K account? That I would usually trade 10 lots on that account. Did you keep money in your prop firm to build cushion, or did you move the money to live personal account? No, I just withdrawed it every time. I just requested payouts. I never put any money back into a live account. I'd say, you know what? I'm gonna hold on to my money. I'll put it other places that it can grow, and I'm just gonna work with these funding companies now. And I've basically been doing that now for the last 2.5 years. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you know, there was a case with so not my Forex funds, but there was another company out there that went through some stuff like that. I forget the name of the company, but damn. Yeah, I forget the name of the company. It was a funding company. I had a few friends that were funded with them and they went out of business. So, I mean, up until the whole my Forex funds thing, I was on cruise, man. I was thinking, you know, there's no point in putting money in an account right now. Let me just leverage what these guys got, and then, you know, over time everything happened with my Forex funds, and I was debating, you know, whether or not, you know, to just leave funding companies, but I still got faith. I think it'll work out well in our favor over the long run. I'll never stop streaming. All right, I won't. I'll try not to. Hey, bro, are you selling and buying at the same time with gold? Got expelled from high school today. Trading's all I got now. Oh, damn. Funding talent. Yeah, funding talent. That's right. See, I don't even remember their name. Did you get today's coffee? Oh, I didn't get today's coffee. What up, Adrian? Adrian Freedom in the house. Yeah, exactly, Sam. Yeah, you don't want to push your buttons too much. What up, Sam Capital? You don't want to push it too much, man. You go up, you know, 10%, just chill. Just grab that payout. Don't push it, man. Where do I recommend opening up a live account? To be honest, man, the more research I do, the more I would say, honestly, if you're in the U.S., just go with like a futures broker. Yeah, just go with a U.S. regulated futures broker. That way you don't have to go through crypto. Everything's regulated. It's simple. Right? You don't have to buy crypto, let your crypto sit in outer space for, you know, 5 days, and then it, you know, randomly pops up and you're like, oh my God, thank God. You're holding your breath for 5 days and all this and that. And, you know, just, I don't know. I hate going through crypto, to be honest. Yeah, especially when it's like a decent amount of money too. Yeah, or Dominion Markets. I think they're the best Forex broker. So they're another one. I think that's the one I would recommend if you're gonna do a Forex broker. Yeah. All right, 1 hour didn't work on this support. Let's see if the support fake out on the 30 here. 12 minutes for the NY Open. Listen to the Reckless Love song. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if you're listening to the original one by Colby. I think it's Colby. I forget what his name is. Or if you're listening to one that we've been playing, but both of them are great. Hanko trades? Yeah, I heard Hanko was good too. GBP, JPY, let's take a look. So, daily's pretty bullish, obviously. 4 hour is kind of, looks like we created support here on the 4 hour. And we have a resistance up here, right? So, price may want to move up. It looks like we kind of are rejecting though right now. Let's see what that looks like on the 1 hour. So, oh my God, yeah, look at all this choppiness here. So, very, very choppy on the 1 hour. Same thing here on the 30-minute time frame. So let's go ahead and see what this range is. 19 pips. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know if I've just lost my drive here for pound yen, but this is the range that you're in. I think if you do get a closure above 188.300 here, then there is a clean move up. It's not the greatest move, right? It's only a 19-20 pip move here, so it is clean, but it's not really the move I'm looking for. And then yeah, it's just super choppy on the way down for sells. So I probably would not touch sells here on GJ until we got below 187 there. Yeah. Yeah, not the cleanest here today. 1 hour is disgusting. Oh, you guys can't hear the background music? You guys should be able to hear it, no? We can? Okay, cool. What's my take on the funded next? I've never used them, so I don't know. Yeah, I've never used them. What up, Sandman? The Sandman's in the house. Why didn't you come to London session? Hey, yo. Me no speak English. Yeah, let's take a look at NAS 100 here too while we wait. So looking at the NASDAQ here, let's see how the weekly closed last week. So we did close bullish here last week. You've had this really nice rally on the weekly time frame here with NAS 100. So you did close bullish. We did close above. We still have range to go here on the weekly time frame. Should see a move up into this area here. I do believe we need a bottom wick though. So let's see what the daily looks like. Daily looks like we broke the lows here. So yeah, if you can create a support today, that would be awesome for the weekly to get going here. So let's see. Daily time frame is bearish, right? But we've tapped into this support level. We also don't have a top wick here. So let's see how we can plan both buys and sells here on NAS 100 today. So I think yeah, I think buys are pretty clean above 15977. Unless you can come down a bit more and create support, then maybe we could take our buys from lower. But as of right now, that is the resistance that is right here. And then you have a decent move up here, which is about like 30 pip move up. Clean traffic to the left. And then if we are going to take sells, Probably gonna look for sells below, yeah, 15,950 here. So range 2 sells below these levels here. Actually, no, not range 2 because we are bearish on the day. So yeah, pretty clean sells below here. If you look last time, we drove down. Same thing here. We came up, we drove down from there. So decent move to the downside. The buys, I think we're gonna need. Yeah, buys. Yeah, let's move this up a little bit here. So yeah, I think we could take pretty decent buys above 15,980. So yeah, gonna let this whole range do its thing. Not gonna touch any buys in here. Gonna let it set up its little range here, and then if we get a closure, there should be a wick fill to happen here. So should be able to fill this wick again. That's gonna be like 25 pip range. So yeah, I'll wait for buys above there and just chill out until that happens. And then sells are pretty clean below this support level here. Yeah, right below here. Let's take a look left. Yeah, nice moves down from here. Rejections. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'll stick with that here, and we'll keep an eye on NASDAQ, see if we could sample size something here today. So this will be the full target here, and then this is your first level of support, right? So if we do take a position here, right, 20 pips away, there's a support level in which we've got to make a decision, right? So whether that is closing partials, closing half, closing 80, closing nothing, just moving stops to break even. All we know is that if we do get a close below, we can move down here, right? But our first sign of any rejection or struggle is going to come right here, right? So we'll make a decision at that point. That, to me, 20 pips, for the most part, will be closing like at least 50%. So, yeah. So we went over this big time here, trade management, risk management in the boot camp. So here's an example of if you do get a close below, you know, you should be able to tap into this level, and then this is where you want to manage, right? This is where you want to start managing your position, whether that's taking the risk off of the table or whether that's closing part of your position. But that's going to be the level there, right? Yeah. Bring out the whole scrolling. Oh, I'm sorry to make the boot camp this weekend. No worries, man. Looking forward to seeing what you guys had to say. When do you think the... Oh, yeah, so we're going to send the videos out, I think Wednesday. Yeah, I think Wednesday. Yep. Yeah, give me 1 second, okay? Hey, yo, Shad's in the house. What up, Shad? Shout out to all the mods here today. Mod gang. I'll keep an eye out for them. Yeah, we'll let you guys know. Obviously we're gonna announce it here. I'll probably announce it on IG as well, and so you guys will know when it's coming in. All right, 2 minutes for the NY Open. Where's Green? How do I see Green? No way he ain't here. I'll eat my hat if he's not here. Jigga jigga. Support and love from Morocco. Hey, thank you. Support and love from Tampa, Florida. There he is, MG. The bat signal, the Batman signal went out. Bring out the juicers? Yeah, bring out the juice boxes. Last Monday juicer was lit. Last Monday juicer. Yeah, I think I'm trying to remember. It's a lot of trades this year, man. We went over all the trades too. Well, not all the trades, but we went over. We just, man, yesterday was special in the boot camp. We really went over our entire year, some of the things that we've learned, some of the adjustments we're making. It was really good. It was really good. I've done that. I do that on my own, but it was good to really do it in front of others and get the point across. And yeah, it was fire. So I'm really looking forward to next year, man. 2024. We got one more month ahead of us here, and then we begin a new year. So it should be awesome. All right. So we did get a candle to close. We closed back in the range here. The 1 hour looks not the greatest, right? We're trying to create a support here. I still think we need a close above here on the 30-minute time frame in order for us to take buys. So either the 30-minute or the 15-minute time frame needs a closure. I'm not going to take a buy right now when there's, you know, all this resistance to the left, right? So we got to get past that. If we can get past that, we've got a clean move up. So that's what we're going to look for here today. We're going to just stay patient. Going to stay patient. Nick, range twos, would they also be valid if an area is choppy, even though we are with the trend? Does that, if that makes sense? Yeah, absolutely. It does make sense. Like, yeah, you can wait for that second range here when you see very, very choppy price action here. You remember, you always want to be confident in your trade. You never want to be like, you know, like some of you guys be like, it doesn't look like it works, but I need to get a trade in. Oh my God, right? Just, you don't need to trade like that. I promise you. Come over to this side, right? Trading is much better when you can just be patient, wait for your setups, wait for things to make sense, right? Wait for familiar price action. You know, some of you guys got to like handcuff yourself. It's NY Open and you just can't hold back. It's relax, right? It's Monday. Let's wait for familiar price action. Can price go up here? Absolutely, right? NY Open is here. These 15-minute resistances can get smoked. But does it look the greatest right now? It doesn't really look the best, right? So let's wait for the best. That hand too itchy, son. Yeah, 1 hour did create support. I do want to get out of this 30-minute range, though, before I take a buy here. Yeah, 4 hour looks pretty decent, but rejection, reject, bearish closure. rejection. So daily is the main thing here. 2018, we were ejected right there. So yeah, that would have been my target. Had I been taking a buy off of the daily candle, something like this, that would have been my target right there, right in this area here. So we did tap that. So we'll see if we want to keep going or what we want to do here today. But we were looking for a fake out here. We may have gotten it. So we'll see if we can now get above 2015 here. Shout out to 2015. So it's 150 trades this year for you now. Oh, is it? Yeah, that might be. Sounds about right. That's on the stream. We've probably taken 20 trades max, or maybe 15 trades off stream max. Yeah. Yep. Let's like the stream. Hey, let's like the stream. How do you get the time to show? Oh, you talking about this? It's got to be somewhere in here. Yeah, I'm not too sure, honestly. I feel like that was always up. I don't think I added that. Yeah, it's got to be somewhere in the settings, though. You gotta look in settings. Gold hit 2024 and 2024. Yeah. Gold and silver should rise. Bitcoin should begin to rise. The dollar should probably begin to weaken here. Yeah. Right click on the price to the right and tick the countdown button. There you go. Thanks, George. Thank you. Thank you. Did we take a trade? No, we didn't take a trade yet. Nothing. What up, Sam Capital? What's good, bro? Coming on Zoom. All right, cool, cool. Let's see what we got here on Zoom today. What up, Zoomers? Well, oh, Rafi's in the house here. What up, Rafi? Yeah, we're gonna bring Rafi up here today. What up, everyone in Zoom? How y'all doing? What up, Rafi? Let's bring Rafi up here.
Yo, what's happening?
How you feeling, man? What a
Man,
weekend,
I'm
eh?
feeling great. I'm feeling excited. I know, man. Feeling blessed.
Yeah,
Such
dude.
a great weekend.
It was great having you there,
How
man.
you
I
feeling?
think I'm doing a fantastic, bro. I'm doing fantastic. I mean, how can you not be after a weekend like that?
So much value. What's going on, chat?
Yeah.
What is the family saying? How are you guys feeling?
Fitting.
Oh, Sandman. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I got my wife, stepson, and everybody, even the cat. Let's get it.
Waffy's in the house. In the gold vault. He's in the vault.
Oh, it's protecting the gold.
Protecting it.
Pakistan. Yo, Pakistan has a special place in my heart, man. Love back to you, bro.
Namaste. Oh, man.
How you feeling today, brother? Feeling
Yeah,
good?
I'm doing great, man. Excited to be back for a new week. See what we got in here in the markets. Excited to be disciplined, professional, all that good stuff. How about you? Nighttime over there now, huh?
Nah, man, I feel good. I feel good. I was talking to TK actually this morning, and he's like,
TK.
hey, you know, Asian, we're talking about it, and you see that huge blast to the upside, like at 9 a.m. my time.
Yeah, I seen that.
I
Yeah.
was like, here we go. There's FOMO right here. Who's feeling FOMO right now? It's crazy. We're just talking about it.
They got the test right away.
I know. How many of you guys try to impulse entry on that?
We in there. We in there. Ban the spammer. All right. Pew! Gone. And then the other one. Pew! Sniped. 2 down. 2 down. Who else want to go? Who else is going? Sending hits in broad daylight. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, man. Bing, bing. Yeah, dude, that was pretty powerful. I think some people were asking about your playlist. So maybe when we shoot them, maybe when we shoot over the emails, you can link that that playlist that you had.
Which one? The meditation one or the one?
Yeah, I think they were
over there. It's like I don't want to hear that.
I think
Stop the music.
I think everyone was asking about the meditation one.
Yeah. I can give you that so you can share it to people, man. I got so many meditation tracks, bro. All kinds of different frequencies for different things. So yeah, I have pretty good stuff.
Yeah. They asked for Rafi's slides too. Ooh, I don't know if Rafi can give those away. No.
I'll share some. The most important stuff.
Yeah.
Nah, the meditation stuff, guys. It's good to have the music, you know, but I feel like as you go deeper into the practice, start doing with nothing. So you can hear the rooster in the background, the dog in the background, the motorcycles, the cars, so you can actually train the mind to stay focused. Because what happens is, it's like when you go to the gym, right? You keep lifting the same weight, the same thing. The body gets used to it, so there's not improvement. Same thing with meditation. Like you want to shift it a little bit. So you're listening with sound, yeah, you're training the mind to kind of like focus, right? The music, it helps your brain's vibration. But then when you stop the music, the brain is like, okay, so where's the music now? So you see different things. So it's always good to like do it with no music. Sometimes put a little bit of music. I don't do guided meditations because when you're learning, you listen to what the person is saying, then you start thinking. So it's kind of like it takes a little bit of the magic. I'm not saying that you shouldn't do it. I feel like you could do a little bit of everything. So like you continuously training the brain.
Yeah, no, that's true. There's like seasons to it, you know. In the beginning, you may need guided meditation, right? Just to keep you on path, keep you on track, give you a little track to run on, and then you'll go with music, and then eventually you'll go stare at that doorknob with no music. And that's when the battle happens, right? Because when there's no music or nothing to entertain you, now your mind's going to try and grab these things. Like Rafi said, you're going to get an itch on your face. You know, how good can you be at straight up stone cold in it, right? Just staying in that present meditative state without budging left, budging right. That's where you're going to get a lot of, as the days go on, you'll notice that you're building self-control. So, and you'll notice that it's going to wear off now in other areas, whether it's eating or trading or spending or whatever it is, you're going to notice that self-control starts to, you know, rub off on all the things that you do. So yeah, excellent exercise. Excelente.
Yo, I went to when I came here to Bali, I went to a meditation retreat, and we were meditating for 10.5 hours a day. And the first day was like easy, you know, get used to it. This is, you know, normal, whatever. After the second day, don't move.
Yeah.
Like, you need to battle. Don't move, bro. You know how much pain I was feeling? That was the most painful thing that I ever felt in my life. On the third day, bro, I couldn't even walk. Just sitting.
Yep.
Right there, like my hips, my back, everything was in pain. So, like, you're sitting there in pain. It's like, why am I sitting here in pain, bro? I should probably just go home. Like, we started with 35 people and we ended with 11. A bunch of people just walked away.
Oh yeah.
They couldn't finish it. 10 days.
Not surprising.
Yeah. And you know
Wow.
what's the funny thing? Majority of the people that walked away were men.
We're men. Oh yeah.
The girls stayed. Majority of the girls stayed.
Yeah, man. It's always the big burly guys, you know, like, remember, muscles, the real muscle is the mind. Right? I mean, even when we used to do when I used to do a lot of public speaking, man, you would you know, you would see these big ripped, jacked, confident guys get up there. Next thing you know, man, the sweat is dripping from the back of their neck, bro, down their back, and they're freaking petrified of holding a microphone up there. So you gotta really train. Yes, you gotta train our muscles in our body, but the main muscle that needs to be trained is the mind. Right? When the mind is trained well, there's nothing it can't do. Even if you look at Navy SEALs, there's not a lot of big, jacked, big, you know, gladiator-looking men. A lot of those men are small guys, short guys, but their mind is on another level, right? Their mind is much stronger than their body, and that's really what you need.
Yeah, have you seen a monk in steroids?
A monk?
Yeah, they're
a
all
monk on
skinny
steroids
for some reason.
Oh damn.
They're all really skinny for some reason.
A monk,
Yo,
man.
Chad, how's your water intake today?
Yeah, y'all getting that water
Question.
in? Is the TFT 400K, is that a 10% or 8% target? This is 8%. Yeah, 8%. 8%. Hey, what's up, Benjamin? How you doing?
Yo, we got Sam. We got Sam in the White House.
Sam's here.
Yeah.
Sam the man. The mental picture for 2024. Yeah, gang. Hey, if you plan on starting in 2024, you're behind the game. You're behind guys like me. You're behind guys like Rafi, like Sam. You're behind in that, man. If you want to get on a better workout, you want to get in better shape, man, the work begins now. Right? The work doesn't begin in January. That's when everyone else is going to start, right? Those guys are all going to quit because they're just doing things off of motivation, not of discipline. So discipline yourself to get the ball rolling now on your 2024 goals. Get them extremely clear, gang. I do this every single year. And then I read Think and Grow Rich every single year on the beginning of the year. And man, I look at my goals that I set last year. 9 out of 10 of them have been accomplished without me really even trying to do it. Just set the goal, wrote the plan, and just worked the plan day in and day out and day in and day out all stinking year, man. And you know what? They all came true. They all became a reality, which is nuts. Let me bring Sam up here. There he is. Sammy the Bull. What's goody?
What's going on?
How we feeling?
Yo.
Going wonderful, bro. Yeah, what a good weekend, yo. It was like crazy, just charts nonstop. Now we're here.
We're here. So 8:15 coming. Can we get the pack runner? Or 8:15 just went down. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see about this 1 hour candle. So anybody take buys here on this 1 hour candle? Didn't really want to take those buys there. I mean, price may still go up, but just a lot of resistance there. How many of you guys maybe at the boot camp you would have taken a buy and you just said, you know what, today I'm just gonna practice this stupid discipline thing they keep talking about, and then you stayed out, and now you avoid drawdown. My wife's mad strong. Yeah, martial arts. Yeah, I want to get my son into martial arts like pretty early in life. How you feeling, Sam?
Yo, I'm feeling good, bro. I just told you I'm feeling good.
He's Gucci. He's Gucci.
Feeling good.
Yeah.
I'm quaking.
Nice.
Nah, just
He's
kidding.
quaking.
Yo,
No
I've actually
quaking.
been doing that
What?
meditation. I've been doing that meditation.
What's quaking? What's that
Bro, it's
mean?
crazy. I was sitting there and I almost fell asleep in the whip yesterday night. Like, no, like I was like parked in that. Like as I got home, and I was just
Yeah.
sitting there and I was doing it. I was like, whoa, bro. And I was like, nah. I was like, I gotta get in it. Gotta get in the house.
That's
bro.
awesome.
It's funny.
That's awesome, bro.
Yeah.
I liked it.
Man, I remember the first time I did like a actual meditation years and years ago. I did it I just played something on YouTube, and I just laid down in my bed, and that was probably at like 11 p.m. Bro, I woke up at like 2:30 a.m. fired up. Like I had so much energy. I'm like, yo, what just happened? And my brothers were out in the other room playing like video games at that point, and I'm like, yo, you guys are still up? Like, let's play. Like, I'm down. I'm feeling great right now. And that was the first time I really ever did any sort of like guided meditation. It was crazy.
Yeah, I don't know. I like the breathing in that. That's like the thing. I'm like a weirdo too. So like I'm in my head. I'm like telling myself like, boom. I'm like pushing all that CO2, carbon dioxide, trash
Yeah.
out, cleaning it out, getting that fresh air in, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yo, how
Works
do
though, bro.
you
Give me 1 sec.
how do you feel with that box breathing? Do you struggle with that? Do you feel uncomfortable at all, or
Which one is that again? Like just
the
to make
box
sure,
breathing?
like-
The one that we
uh,
did, you know, inhale, you hold, you exhale, you
oh
hold.
yeah,
the
no,
box breathing.
I like that. I don't know. I do that pretty well. I think I did a lot of that with like track and field and that though, with the breathing.
Oh yeah,
Like,
yeah.
bro,
there you
I've
go.
sat in like those glass boxes where they like got the tube and that in there, bro, and then you practice breathing with that, and like
Yeah.
running in that with the masks on where you can like barely breathe, and like I always like that, cause then it's like
Yeah.
like a big mental thing, right? Then you just gotta push through.
Yeah, no, I mean it's when you're not used to it, like your body just responds to like alarms you, you know? It's like what's happening over here? Why am I holding breath? Like where's my air? You know, it's like it's crazy like how the body responds to uncomfortable situations, you know?
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like you just take that deep breath, focus on the breathing. Like when you focus on the breathing, it takes out like all those other thoughts that are just like clouding your mind. Focus on the breathing.
There you go.
Breathing in,
That's
breathing
meditation
out.
right there.
Yeah. Right.
That's it. It's so simple, man. It's like it should be simple, you know. Just like trading, you know. It's like people just make it complicated, and it doesn't have to be, bro. Like for us to live, we gotta breathe, and that's what meditation is. It's just quieting the mind and observing the thoughts that pop up, and don't engage with them. You just keep doing your thing. That's why, like for example, like sometimes when I hop on the scooter, I just hop on the scooter and I don't play music, and I just feel the bike, like how it feels in my hand. Then I feel like how the air feels in my body, how like it's just me observing everything, how people behave, and it's like at some point it feels like everything slows down. I don't know if that makes sense, or it feels like you can control everything. Everything just instead of speeding up, you can see everything before it happens. It's crazy.
All right, moving up here. So can we get a 30-minute closure? Nice support, maybe being formed here. Gold digger. Are you gonna trade December? Yeah, we're gonna trade in December. We're gonna trade let me pull up the calendar here. I think we're gonna trade until the 22nd. Yeah, the 22nd of December. And then we'll take a break. We'll take wow. Yeah, we got like a 2-week break here. So 22nd we'll probably end the live streams for the year, which is the Friday before Christmas, and then we'll probably come back on the 8th of January. Yeah. Either the 8th or the 15th. Probably the 8th. All right, this candle should get going here now in the 1 hour. So if we do get a close above on a 30, then I think we're good to go here. Yeah, nice fake out right there and potential move up. Gold and NASDAQ are approaching all-time highs. What's your opinion on this, bro? Yeah, we've traded the all-time highs before, and it gets tough. Not going to lie, it gets tough. If you don't have any ranges to the left or anything going on, it begins to get hard. So you need to let price do its thing and then come down and create these new ranges so we can trade. So we've traded the all-time highs three times here. Traded it back here in 2020. Also here in 2022, and then recently in what was that, May? May. Yeah, May. We were in that all-time high area too. So yeah, it begins to get difficult when you're taking buys because there's no data to the left. No data to the left. Take a look at GJ. Oh, damn. Oh, late. Yeah. GJ. All right, we're going to break the high here.
Shout out to the Nightbot.
Nightbolt.
See, the Nightbot knows discipline. And the Nightbot sees you, so he's telling you not to do it. Wait for the candle to close. Do nothing.
Yeah. The human flu news? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Human flu? I'm on it, boys. Let me look. Yeah, I see nothing. What a human...
Look at the dono. Oh, let me take a look. Oh, another dono. Hey, thank you. Oh, what's this? I'm gonna suicide today as I lost my father's $2,500 in trading yesterday, which he earned through labor work, and I didn't tell him. Man, no need to do that, my friend. Money is very temporary. I don't think your dad would really like it. I think the $2,500 and being honest with him and just saying, "Hey dad, I had a good feeling about it and I wanted to use it to potentially make us live a better life, but I lost it in my trying." I think he would rather hear that story than some suicide story that his son did, bro. So it's not worth it. It's just not worth it, man. It's not worth it. You can get it back. Money comes and goes. Money comes and goes.
Yeah, I'm gonna pray for you, brother. Yeah, so I don't know. I looked this up, saying something about an H1N2 virus, which is interesting. Because you had the H1N1 back in 2009, 2010.
Yeah.
But I don't know. As far as... We'll have to see. But I don't know. If there was really like that breaking news, then you would have seen the market already react to it.
Hey, it's election year here in the U.S., gang. Don't be. You're gonna see a lot of crazy things happen here.
True.
Unfortunately, the people that run the world are a bit wacky up top here. So it's election here in the U.S. The world will feel it. Yeah. There'll be a lot of stories, a lot of rumors, a lot of all that stuff. How much do I risk on a trade? Usually about 2%. Trump. Am I going to trade off the live stream on the 22nd to the 8th? Probably. Yeah, probably. Probably not the week of the 22nd because that's all Christmas and everything and New Year, but maybe I don't know. We'll see. I usually like to take the first week or so, like the last week of the year and the first week of the New Year off.
Yeah, the price action in the market is really choppy then.
Yeah.
You just got like all the new year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need Trump's tweets. Yeah, yeah. Those are like red folders, man. That's like a red folder every day.
True. I miss seeing a lot of breaking news in the market. It's been boring.
Yeah. Yeah, for those of you guys
We
that
get
are like
one or two a year now.
yup. If you're like just entering the markets here as a trader, like you're just learning and stuff, like honestly, these are tough markets to navigate through a little bit. It's not like it was in 2020, even in 2018, 2019, 2020. Those were really, really exciting years. So things have been a little choppy, a little slow. So when they get back to being themselves, I think you guys are going to be really, really nice with it because you're learning in a difficult time, I think. Yeah, so this candle
No,
closed
I
below
agree.
and no bottom wick here.
I agree though, because if you like look at the economic cycle that we were in and everything, boom, it was just straight bullish. Economy everywhere. U.S. dollars booming, U.S. economy's booming, stock market is booming. You're just seeing nice moves every single day to the upside.
Word.
Very easy, simple trading.
Yo, for real. Yeah, here goes the 1 hour now. Yeah, no, for real. Those were exciting times, man. Four hour moving up here now too. Very nice.
Bro, I remember whenever like the pandemic first happened, and it's just GJ like every single 30-minute candle, every single day. You could just hit sell, and then it's gonna go down like 40 pips.
Bro, it was the best. It was the best. Yeah, 2019, 2020 was awesome. Yep. Yeah, and then if you guys got into crypto in 2020, sheesh.
True.
You could have made money and not even know what you were doing.
I did.
Yeah, same. Yeah, I barely knew anything. I just listened to a few
Bro,
good
I just
people
seen
and
a bunch of people talking about, bro, like Robert Kiyosaki, one of them.
yeah.
He was talking about like Bitcoin and everything. You had a whole bunch of other people too, and we had already seen Bitcoin like do a huge rally in 2017, right?
Oh,
So
yeah.
I mean, like,
Yep, that's true.
I don't know. To me, it was a no-brainer then, but I like ignorance is bliss, maybe. Just like, yeah, I'm gonna buy this, bro.
Close your eyes and buy, baby. That's what it was like for Dogecoin.
Yeah, really, bro. I remember the day that I never had any, but I remember the day that it shot, bro, and it went from like 6 cents to I don't know what it went to, but it went crazy.
That was nuts.
Dogecoin, bro. I was like, no chance. It actually popped when that happened.
Yeah, Bitcoin, man. BTC, Doge, and what was that other one that popped pretty good? I forget. They all popped very well.
The
during that
Shiba
year.
Inu.
The Shiba. I swear I was
Yeah.
gonna try and be a millionaire with like $300 investment on sheep. No FOMO? Yeah, no FOMO. Yeah, this didn't make sense for me, so yeah, the 1 hour creating support was good, but yeah, it's 30 minutes bit choppy, 15 minutes even more choppy here, so nothing. Let's go, Brandon. Yeah. What was it like going from watching Raja to him shouting you out? Oh, that's a good feeling. Yeah, it's good. Have I got anything on? No. I'm still holding Shiba? Yeah, me too.
It's a long term, baby. Some
Yeah.
long term capital gains on the Shiba.
The sheep. I'm saving that investment for my kids.
Now it's getting passed down through generations.
Word. Sheep's working on it. It's working on it. Was you on Roger's stream a few years ago when Ted said close your eyes and press buy on gold? I think yeah.
I was.
Yeah.
100%, bro. I do remember that. And I remember the exact price action. Bro, it was literally gold was at the top of the range, just ranging against the resistance, and it just popped. Boom. Went straight through the resistance. I do remember.
Hey, say what you want about Ted, whatever, but he was the guy who tipped me off on crypto, man. I don't know. He was just on point. He was just on point with entries and exits, and listening to him on the exit call was one of the best things I ever did. Yeah, man, he called it.
Yeah, he was like one of the first people to like really put me on to like the Matrix or whatever you want to call it.
Yeah.
I was like, wow. Hearing him talk about things, I'm like, this is crazy.
Oh yeah.
My life was different from that day.
Oh yeah. Yeah, his exit call on crypto was just so on the money. So on the money.
Yeah, that's true. That too.
I was like, you know what? I'm going to just listen to this dude. Sheep's cooking. Cooking. Missing Ted. Where's Ted?
Dude, by the time the sheep gets to like $1, we'll probably see like massive hyperinflation within the U.S. and that like $1 where like everyone now has like $100,000, but that's only worth like 10K.
Man, I know some people who were holding the bag on crypto. They held the bag, man. But we'll see. It should. If you guys are still holding, I mean, I think it's more of a long-term investment anyway.
Yeah. No, but I do agree. Like there was plenty of signs to exit.
Yeah.
Yeah. You had some like, especially if you knew the fundamental factors. When did Bitcoin start to come down? As soon as they introduced the rate hikes.
Yep. That's funny. That's true. Holding? Yeah, hold it. 7 money bag. Yup. How did you come across Raja, and why did you decide to learn from him? The way I came across Raja was at one point I was in IML and I stopped showing up, right? I stopped coming on the calls and doing all that stupid stuff, and I was looking towards like YouTube to find mentors, and you know, the guy that I was with in IML, he kept like nagging me like, yo dude, come back to the meeting, come back. I was like, honestly, I don't want to, bro. I want to just learn how to trade for myself. And he was like, all right, you know what? There's these guys, they trade the New York session, and they scalp though, you know. And I was thinking, oh really? I don't know about scalping. He was like, yeah, they scalp, and they go live on YouTube. So here's the channel, and good luck. And yeah, shout out to him because he put me on with Raja, and That was in 2019. And yeah, that was in, was that in 2019? Yeah, that was 2019. So no, 2020. Yeah, 2020. And yeah, I've been just the way he simplified trading just made it make sense for me. I don't know what it was, but it was just broken down in simplest forms and something that I could wrap my head around, and yeah, it just clicked with me. So yeah, shout out to my boy Kessler. Shiro's in the house. What up, Shiro? Shiro dabbing on him today.
Shiro.
Shiro. Me fellow Wakandanian. Raja's from India. I think he's from Pakistan. Pakistan.
Jerome pal.
What up, Donald? Donald in the building.
What up, Donald?
Let's see if we end up getting this bottom wick on this candle here. 4 hour May. Yeah, we'll see what the 4 hour wants to do here. We're cruising into the last 15 of the 4 hour candle, so we'll see what we want to do here on the 4 hour close. But didn't really like these buys at all here. This was not my trade here, this candle. So yeah, nothing there for me in the range and not looking the best. If you're 2% down on your capital, would you still take 2% risk? Yeah. Do you recommend any trading books? I recommend The Forex Mindset by Jared F. Martinez. Yeah, I've only read 2 trading books. That one and Trading in the Zone. They were both really good. Your Insta stories make me want to go buy steak. Yo, we got the whole TTE crew buying steaks now. Let's go. TK's out there shopping online for steaks.
Yeah, that was comedy. When I seen that, I was like, no chance.
Yo, last night I had a 20-ounce custom cut, boy. Like, straight off the... That. Yeah, this thing was a jocer, bro. And then you see my wife's little fillet. She had like a 6-ounce fillet, and then I just had a big, big dog, 20-ounce ribeye, bone in, man. It was...
Yeah, my eyes were locked onto that.
Yo, fuego. I'm like, what's the biggest size you got in a ribeye? He's like, oh, we do the 14, we do the 16, but if you want, you can get anything custom cut. I was like, let's custom cut a 20 up, man. Cut me up 20 ounces off that thing.
He's like, right away, sir.
Yeah. Time to steak. Yeah, you know.
TK. You got to get the 21 ounce now.
Yeah, I could do a 21 ounce. Shay said, why are you turning down that aisle? That's funny. Oh, are we going to get this? Oh, yeah, look, we did get the bottom wick there. So we did get the bottom wick on that candle there. Very interesting. Let's see if we break these 1 hour lows now after this rejection wick to the top side. Time to eat. Yeah, man. Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at this. Breaking lows here. All right, cool. Yeah, 4 hour looks good. We're going to wait for the 4 hour close here in 17 minutes. Wayne Dwyer was great. Yeah, I agree. I read a lot of his books. Oh, 24 ounce? I'll have to get that one next time. Maybe I'll grab that tonight. Yo, Jimmy Lambo, we did miss you, bro. We missed you, man.
Lambo.
Where's Johnny Boy? Johnny Boy is, I just seen his message. He has just arrived. So as we wait on the 4 hour, the champ is here. The champ is here.
Free him up.
Let's free him. Free him till he's free. Free John.
Nooch.
Free him till he's free.
What did he say?
Good boys.
Johnny Boy.
Yo, what up, player?
There
Going
he
on,
is.
Johnny?
What up? What up?
The man,
How
the
you guys
myth, the
doing?
legend.
Oh, I miss you, bro. I haven't heard your voice in like a week.
Thanks, bro.
Crazy,
Missed you too.
crazy, bro.
It's been since Wednesday, right? Or Wednesday? Yeah, since Wednesday.
Yeah.
I almost forgot how to stream here today. I might forget how to stream when we come back on January 8th. I'll be all nervous and stuff.
Pull
I'm
Pull up
It's gonna
so
be a
quick.
long break then, dog.
gonna have to do my meditation and box press before the live stream there on the 8th.
Yeah, right. What's up, chat? Happy new week, baby. Let's go.
Yes, sir. New week. New week ahead of us.
Fired up.
Yeah. So let's see. Oh,
When are you
wow. Look at
going?
this. Interesting. This is crazy. Yeah, you can go ahead. I'm going to grab some more water here.
I was just gonna ask, when do you go back on, like on your 3-week vacation thingy?
You talking to me?
Yeah, you.
I'm going in December. I'm leaving for New York December 18th.
Oh,
Then I'll be back. I'll be back the first week of January.
oh, so it's like you won't even be missing it. Like,
Nah, it's only 2 weeks.
yeah, you won't even be missing most of the stream.
Yeah, and I'm
Or even
going
then,
for.
like, it'll,
I'm going for when the stream's like kind of over too.
right, that's what I'm saying. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's awesome though.
Mm.
Yeah, you're gonna come up to the cold, bro.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. We'll see what it's like.
You see me? I'm double hoodied up.
Yeah, bro.
And that's because I had to take the dogs out right for a hot time.
Yeah.
That was outside, bro. It was snowing.
Yo, I haven't felt the brick weather in a minute now. It's been a while.
Bro, it was actually crazy the other day. When was it? It was one of the mornings right before the boot camp. But I went out to get a coffee. It was probably like 28, so like just below freezing. And I'm like going down this hill, and right when I get to the bottom of it, bro, I start sliding because the ice is starting.
Damn, bro.
I was like, the ice is already starting, bro. It's only November.
Damn,
I
dog.
was like, gotta slow down. I was like,
Jeez.
it wasn't like nothing crazy. Like I wasn't quaking or nothing, but I was just like, oh, started sliding a little because it was raining the night before, so it probably just all rolled to the bottom of the hill and froze.
Jeez, bro. Below 20.
Is yours four-wheel drive? Or is yours two?
Oh no, I was in a front wheel.
Damn. Wow. Roads are slipping now.
It'll be alright. Be alright.
Yeah,
Let me
we-
give me time to go out to the lot and do donuts without destroying the tires.
Yeah.
Pressure. Pressure. Oh, someone's seen you at Burger King, Sam. You eating them Burger King?
Saw me in Burger King.
You notice how
bro,
when you
I hate Burger King.
Yo.
Burger King is trash. If you sat McDonald's or Burger King down for me right now, I'm slamming the McDonald's.
Yo, you go to Burger King and they don't even call it chicken nuggets, bro. That shit, it's just nuggets. Yo, where the chicken at, bro?
I never even knew that. That's so funny.
Yo, trying to play it. No wonder why it's like 20 for $1. Man,
That's cap. I saw you in Burger King. Yeah, bro. And you'll never see
Yo.
me in Burger King.
Yo, Burger King.
where that chicken at Burger King?
I can
I
never
remember-
eat a fast food cheeseburger.
Dude, Burger
And-
King,
nah.
that's so crazy too, cause those nuggets, they do like there's deals where it's like you can get a 10-piece nugget for like $1.50. Like you know that is not cheap.
Yo, imagine that.
Yo, you notice that when you don't eat the nugget right away, you let it cool off a little bit. The thing just like loses kind of like shape a little bit, and it just like it tastes different. Have you noticed that?
Yeah, it's like,
I noticed some weird stuff going on with the McDonald's chicken nuggets about a year and a half ago. I never touched them things again, bro. Ever. I'm like, why am I eating this? I'm done. Time to not eat. Time to not eat. Time to not eat fast food, gang.
Saw me eating Burger King fries with the cheese Teletubby burgers. Yo, that's criminal.
I can't believe someone said that, Sam.
That's so funny. Dude, like all the places you can say you see me, and it's Burger King.
Yo, someone said they seen me at some shop. I don't know if it was Walmart or Publix.
Oh, I remember.
I'm like,
that.
damn, can't come say what up? Help me with my
Dude, that was, like,
groceries?
back in like May or something.
Look at that,
Yeah,
bro.
that was a while ago now.
I remember I was with you and we thought we saw him maybe because they were looking at like weird.
They were starting to look. Yeah, we were just walking. Some guy's like staring at me as if he knows me. I'm like, does this guy know me from the live stream?
He's grilling you.
It's just grilling me. Yo, yeah, don't touch fast food. Time to not eat fast food anymore, gang. Oh, what up, Roberto? Nick, I just want to thank you. I was 6% in drawdown on my challenge, and thanks to the stream, I'm back to break even now. Nice. Thank you so much. God bless you and your family for streaming for us. Oh, nice. W, Roberto. Big W, big W. Feels good, right? Feels good to weather the storm, doesn't it? When most people run from it, you weather it. Always come out on top. Time to fast.
Oh, we got the guitar.
Oh, yeah, we got guitar. Hey, what time is it? Yep, 8:49. Let's go. Let them cook. Let them cook.
Who said that? Gee, damn me, bro.
I went to McDonald's one day.
Criminal, bro.
The Lord tell me don't do it. Yeah, don't do it. Don't do it. Some of you guys are eating fast food right now. Now, some of them are eating fast food right now, debating on whether or not they want to take that next bite. Don't do it. Don't do it. Are we going to trade today, my man? We might. We'll see if we get a position. Making a... Oh, what's that? Post it in the Discord. Yo, some of the Discord pics are absolutely hilarious, man. Especially in the food channel. Oh, yeah, here it is. Oh, someone's got some nice eggs and avocado here. Oh, nice. Yeah, this is my 20 ouncer from last night. Big boy. A big juicer. Oh damn, John's fasting right now. Let me put the food pics away.
Don't close your eyes.
Yo, Landon, bro. I hope your girl approves of those. Yeah, we got everyone eating steak. What up, Yanosh? Yo, we got everyone staking out here. Yo, I hope she approved of that, man.
Bro, those look so good.
Steaks on steaks.
Yeah, that just got shown to like 2,000 people live.
Yo, word. Oh, damn. Oh, wow. Yeah, just going to wait here. Just going to wait. You don't have Uncle Sam's in the USA, but we have it here. Best burger you can buy. Oh, nice. Let's go. Let's start one here in the US.
They sound hella good.
But we got Uncle Sam, but he ain't. He wants your money.
Are you gonna send out the videos from the boot camp? Yeah, those will most likely get sent out on Wednesday. What an epic weekend, TT. Very impactful. Hey, how you doing, Lewis? Yeah, boot camp was insane. But McFlurries, though, telling you, man. I don't eat powdered ice cream anymore. Here's some powder and poof. Here's a McFlurry. M&M's, poof. When's the next boot camp? We'll put something. We'll let you guys know. Haven't really thought of that. Honestly, just coming off of this boot camp, I'm just so energized. My mind is so clear. You know who gets the most learning done, right? It's typically the instructor. So it was great to be there and do some teaching, and the teacher usually learns a lot as well. So I learned a lot. Plus I took notes with Sam and Rafi. So I'm just basically high off of this boot camp here. So we'll see about the next one. I'm sure we'll do one in like Q1. Yeah, we'll try and give a little bit more time for everyone to get to be a part of it. What's up, George? Pastor George in the house. Pastor George, anywhere you go, when they typically pray over the food, when you're there, do they ask you to do it? Everywhere I go, my family wants me to pray for the food. Oh, Nick's here. Let's pray over the meal today. Oh, yeah. Got you. All right. Crazy price action. Would you do a desk setup ratings? Yeah, we got the desk set up here. If you guys want to show us how your desk looks. Oh, nice. Oh, cool. Awesome. Yeah, there's a lot of nice desk setups here. Let's see how you get busy. Oh, wow, look at this. Nice room there. Oh, Randall. Wow. That's sick. Hero of the day?
Beautiful.
Oh, nice, dude. Wow. Where's
Winter
this?
does make things pretty.
Oh. Oh, hero of the day. Damn.
That's sick.
In the Alps, baby.
That's sick.
Yo.
Yo, but there's actually charts up on there too.
I
That's
know.
crazy.
How'd you find that?
No, that's actually might be his setup.
That's some real stuff right here.
Oh, the poker.
Oh, yeah. It's the computer I got, too. I got this in white. Yeah, I like this computer. Nice. Oh. Oh. W. Yeah, post your office view here today. See where you guys are at. Amen. The leaders of the family pray over the food. That's right. Quick prayer, though. Quick prayer, right? Would you mind saying grace for us? Grace. All right, let's eat. Yeah, one thing I learned, I mess around with my kids too, and sometimes my brothers, but like after the prayer, I just be like, and Lord, don't let none of this food get us fat. And I got that from that one movie about Venus and Serena Williams. Fire movie, by the way. I forget the name of it.
Will Smith.
Yeah. Dude with the folded up newspaper. Yo, hero of the day, don't play, man. USD chef. Come on, bro. You know we don't trade that here. King Richard. Yeah, any Bible study tonight? No. But gang, you know what we're going to do? Something just clicked for me over the weekend. I don't know why I thought of it, but what we'll do for now on is we're going to try and get those done on Sunday afternoon. So that way all my people in Australia, all my people in Asia, you guys can make it, because I felt terrible about not hitting the record button last time on such an amazing sermon that, yeah, we're going to probably switch that over to Sundays. I'll let you guys know when we're going to do it next. Probably not here in November, but definitely in December. Yeah, Monday nights are a bit difficult for my Aussie people and my all my people on that side of the world. So, yeah. So we'll do a Sunday afternoon. I'll keep y'all posted. 2 minutes here on the 4 hour. Looks like we're going to close bearish. Yeah, all my people in Europe too. That's right. Because it gets late for you guys around like 7, 8 p.m. for us, man. It's what? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, damn, like midnight. Yeah. So. Check the discipline in the food chat. Let's take a look. Oh. Yo, what's this guy doing, man? Oh, damn.
Tamales, he's selling.
Tamales, bro. That's funny. Oh, 2,000 people in the house today. 655 likes. If you guys can give the stream a like here today as we wait for the 4-hour closure here, that'd be awesome. That would just be incredible. 50 seconds here for the closure. Don't forget to drink water. Yeah, we should have Nightbot say, give us all a quick reminder on make sure you're drinking water. I'm very bullish on your YouTube channel. Thank you. Imagine if it was a stock.
Yeah, how many would you buy?
I'd buy all the shares. Well, damn, AB Mike. Holy. Watching all the way from Saudi Arabia. A shout out to you, AB Box. All right. So we got a 4-hour closure here. Price has closed bearish on the 4-hour time frame. Daily candle did reject 2018, that point to the left-hand side really well. 4-hour ended up breaking the highs and then coming back down here, closing bearish. So there is a wick to fill at this point. I do expect price to make a top wick here. So not going to budge on anything just yet. 30-minute looks good, but this 4-hour chart, right, we're only 20 seconds into this candle. So we're going to need a top wick here. Most likely still, excuse me, going to wait for closures below 2008 before I take a position, but I'll let you guys know if that changes. But yeah, definitely need a top wick here. Yeah, you also have a support here, right? You got a support here. You have a support here. You have a support here. You have a support here, right? So a lot of support in this area. Anything below 2008 is going to be the trading range for me. So we'll sit tight.
Clean.
Yeah. We'll sit tight here on the 4-hour, probably at least for 15 minutes, and then we'll see where we're at. We got a couple pockets of volume coming up, right? We got 9:15, we got 9:30, we got 9:45 here to see if we can strike. So let's see what the 15-minute brings us. But as of right now, everything's very choppy, right, for sells. So we do want to see maybe price push through all this first. Yeah. You know you want to do it. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, so the only way this really switches up is if we do get some sort of like a celery play up here where volume's coming in. Because what do we know about volume? Volume acts as what? It acts as dynamite, right? So if you have a 9:30 if you have a closure here and 9:30 comes in, then most likely if these lows begin to break, you will see a drive down here. Right, and this will be your 9:30 candle here, pushing through all this range to the left-hand side. So yeah, good point. Very, very good. There's a nice top wick. Somewhere right back up in here would be great. Yeah, Give me 1 sec. I will be BRB.
David Quinones. He's excited for 9:30. See. How is the gym in your place? What do you mean, bruh? Like, what do you mean? I don't have a gym in my place. I got some dumbbells. I think they're like out in the hall or something. How do I predict the AUD CPI to be this week? Let's look.
The local gym. The local gym. Yeah, I like my local gym. Pretty good. What up, Jay Finesse? Nas is dropping.
forecast
Yeah.
For the AUD CPI, the previous is 5.6. That was last month. They're expecting it to come down, inflation to come down to 5.2%. If we do see that, that would be good for the AUD, right? And so you should see like AUD USD move up, for example.
The Aussie dollar.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever analyzed DXY before trading gold? Yes.
My local gym is
Nice.
big. How many people? It's
Local
probably
gym. Let me call them up. Let me figure, hey, how many memberships you guys have here?
Like, yeah, 50, like, probably like 50, 75 people when I go in there, something like that. Yeah, no problem. Mr. Selko? Mr. or Mrs. What up, Andrew Tater Tot?
No way. Where is that? Andrew Tater. Oh,
got the
Andrew
purple hair.
Tater Tot. Yo,
Yeah.
that's good. That's funny.
No,
Andrew
he's been
Tater
here.
Tot.
He was saying so. He said something hilarious last week, bro. Had me rolling. I forget what it was. So
I'll have to look out for him now. Andrew Tater Tot. You guys come up with some good usernames, man. Not even gonna lie.
that is a good one.
Some of you guys got some great usernames. Who's your mentor in trading? I would say I learned mainly from two guys, which was Raja and Don. Those were the two guys that really got me to where I'm at. Other than that, I've had a few other guys I've watched. I've taken a few other courses, but I think the main stuff came from Raja and Don. That's what stuck the most for me. So yeah. If you did not pursue trading, what would you be doing now? I guess we'll never know. I guess we'll never know. Enjoyed your interview with Calvin. Oh, thanks. Vortex FX. You ain't got Wi-Fi? No Wi-Fi? This is a nice celery play here. Respecting the 15 highs here. Very nice. Yeah, it's a nice celery play too, with a nice wick to fill down here. So we'll see about this. What do you think about current trading style? I haven't really looked into it much, so I'm not too sure. Haven't really thought about it much. Yeah, ever since I started streaming myself, I kind of stopped watching anyone else for the most part. Yeah, hold right there. Hold the line here for us, Gold. Hold the line.
Yeah, hold the line. Hold it right there. Oh, whoa, whoa. Hold the line.
Regardless, even if it drives here, I'm just going to wait for 2008 here, 930. It wants to hold for the TTE crew. Will it hold? Will it hold?
Sam, we could be really good friends. Look how great team we are, having best Wi-Fi names. G Sam X Sam. Yo. Yo.
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
Sam the G and G's the Sam. I'm ordering McDonald's, please. No.
Sam G, you
Don't.
told me I was in Burger King. Oh,
Hold the line.
now you want to be homies?
Oh, man. Oh, damn. Joser. Yo. Oh, nice. Your bill wasn't that bad. Just paid for the steak. What is that, a salad? Yo, nice cut right there. Dry aged. Oh, yeah. Let's go. I like that plate. Fuego. Don't do it. Don't take the bait. All right. 17 minutes here. We got 2 minutes on the 15-minute close. We have 17 on the 30-minute close. If I take sells, what's the target? I will. So if I take these sells right here, and it looks something like this, then what I'll look to do is target 2002 here. And then what is this? This range here is about 20 pips. Somewhere in this range, I will most likely secure some profits. So right around this area here. Secure some partials. And let it run. Yeah, probably like right near the support here on the 30-minute. Not time to eat. How do you like your steak? Personally, medium rare to rare. Yeah, I like mine like medium rare, medium well sometimes, depending on how big
Yeah, you
big
like
the
yours
steak
red,
is.
bro.
Yeah. Oh my God, last night it was perfect. I should have cut it open and took a pic. It was a beauty. Thing melted. All right, just waiting. Waiting.
Trying my first challenge ever. Wish me luck. Yo, you got
Oh,
this, bro. You
good luck.
got this. Stick to the
Bro.
plan.
Sir, have confidence.
Yo, Goldwick. W.
W.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Big W for Goldwick out here. Goldwick was in the boot camp. I think I seen Goldwick in the boot camp, right? Matching the
Yeah, he was,
presidential
yeah.
desk, like Sam, I think, right?
Oh,
If I'm not
yeah,
mistaken.
Yeah, he was.
Dude's a legend.
Yo,
Goldwick's a legend.
Yeah. We were both in the president's office this weekend.
El Presidente.
We were tapped in.
President,
Yeah.
vice president.
Word.
Watch out for Goldwick.
Yeah. Legend.
You know, for a second, I thought it was you that you changed your name. I was like, oh, shoot, Sam changed his name.
Sam
And
got
then
new
I saw
identity.
yours. I'm like, wait a second, what's going on over here? That was funny.
Imagine Sam changed his name to Goldwick.
Goldwick times 2.
No, my name would be XX underscore XAUUSD killer underscore XXX, something crazy.
Gold killer.
Something cringe.
Cringe.
You would see my name and be like, look at this noob.
Any new boot camp? We're gonna work on that. Oh yeah, we'll try and figure out. We may do one every quarter or something. So maybe we'll do like 4 boot camps a year. My wife is pregnant, so she's gonna give birth around the late January. So yeah, I gotta tiptoe around that time. So probably I would say like mid-February. So my wife's due date is like late January, early February. So I would say by mid-February, we'll probably be good. So yeah, so we'll discuss it amongst some of the crew here, and we'll plan it out. We'll give you guys plenty of
So we're
time
getting
to.
there.
Yeah,
Getting
man.
exciting, bro.
We're getting there. Adding another little rugrat to the group here. So they're gonna be a trio now. So me and my wife are outnumbered. It's gonna get crazy.
It's gonna be the new generation stew takeover.
We're building a whole team out here, man. Whole squad. We got kids that can stream all 3 sessions. So watch out.
Yo,
That's the plan.
Man. Yeah, we got a kid for every session, man.
you have Lele's London.
Lele London sesh. Yo. Spoke a prophecy there. On to the next. Yeah.
Man, Lele talking now. She's ready to take over the stream.
Yeah.
Yeah, really,
For
that's
real.
awesome.
Yeah. Kid for every session. Yeah, we don't know if we're going to have a boy or a girl. We got one of each now, so whatever we get is awesome. We're just going to wait for birth to figure it out. Yeah.
That's exciting.
Yeah.
I don't
Lele
think I've
London.
ever heard anybody has done, like, at least that I know personally. That's awesome.
What you said?
Like, I say that, like, it's awesome.
Oh yeah, facts.
Yeah, bro. The homies don't have any patience. They're like, what is it? What
Yeah.
is it? Nah, I can't blame
I'm,
anybody.
I'm
just
exercising patience. I'm
Facts.
exercising patience, gang.
He's exercising the discipline
If it was my first kid, I would definitely want to see I would want to know the gender, but like after that, I'd be down to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean we got one of each, so whatever comes now, it's gonna be great. Is Lele gonna be my only little girl, or are we gonna have another one? Oh, let me turn my magic keys on too here. Yeah.
Touch. Dad, I want to trade crypto. No, you trade London.
You sit here and you master the candles on gold during the London session. I don't want to see you. I don't want to see you out of this room till 4 a.m. And then we're going to go run 8 miles. And then I'm going to teach. Just keep talking. Just keep talking.
Make sure everything that comes out of your mouth is a gem.
Yeah, the volume's coming, gang. 9 minutes. So remember, if we haven't gotten the volume from 9 to 9:15, then it may come from 9:15 to 9:30. And if it doesn't come on this candle, which it may, but if it doesn't, there's still 9 minutes left, then the volume is bound to come here at 9:30 here. So we're just going to wait on it.
Waiting.
We'll name him Raja. Yeah. What's Naz doing? Let's take a look.
Oh, it looks very similar.
Yeah, Naz closed here on the 15. We want to see if Naz can pull back here and give us a wick fill to tap into support and then come on down and retest these levels down here. So that's what we're trying to see if we can get here. So just wait on the 30 close, and then there may be an opportunity to take sells. Keep in mind this is going to be a level of rejection here. So if we do come up and then we fill the wick, that's typically where you want to take some partials or just kind of get your stops, you know, to break even or something like that. Yeah, and then you got a nice clean range coming down here. So if you can get past this support, then you could probably drive down. Yeah.
I think Gold wants to wait on us.
Gold's waiting for the TTE crew here. What percentage are you going to risk taking a sell against the bias? Probably, if we get a nice seller play here at 9:30, I'm going to stick with 2%. Yeah, just wait, Gold. Just wait. All right. Yeah, what are we looking to happen? So we are if we close below the range here, right, then what I would like to see is if we break these lows right here, then there's a high chance we have our playbook set up, which is this position right here. So if we break these lows, there's a high chance we'll come down, tap into our support, maybe even drive further. But that'll be the position I'll be looking towards if we close below. If we close back above this range here, I'll probably just wait it out and see if we can get a closure above 2015. This range right here is going to be a no trade range for me. Yeah, this right here, no bueno. No trade. No trade. Oh. So we'll see. We'll see how we close here. I'm so bored. That's good. That's good, man. A lot of the professionals say when you're bored during trading, you know you're doing something right. Bored is good, yeah.
Sir.
Boring trading is good trading. Exciting trading? That may not end well. Yep. Yeah, let's see if we actually break the 15 highs here. So very happy we didn't enter, right? Just randomly enter off the 4-hour flip, because that doesn't always guarantee that price is ready to go, right? Especially if there's already ranges in place on the lower time frames. You know, the lower time frames still have to break out in order for the higher time frame to make that move. So it's always, even though the 4-hour did close bearish, you don't want to just take a sell on the flip here, right? Because you want to make sure you see what's going on these lower time frames. So we're just going to wait this out, and there's 4 minutes left in the candle. So we're just going to wait it out and see where we're at. But we do know that volume is coming in on the next candle. We do understand that ranges, right? Ranges get blasted through when there's high volume. We also know that wicks get filled during high times of volume, right? So there may be an opportunity for us to tap into at least 2008 here, maybe go a little bit lower, and then continue down towards that support at 2002. So we'll see. We'll see. 4 minutes, 3 minutes, we'll have an answer.
See how these candles want to close.
My grandma would say, "You're not bored, you're boring." I miss her every day. Yeah. Grandparents always had those wise wisdom remarks. Ooh. You guys want to play a word game? You want to play Hangman? Let's play some Hangman. All right, 2 minutes here. 2 minutes.
Lock it in.
Hey, where'd my charts go? Yo, where'd price action go? How do I switch this? There we go. All right. Can't wait for my magic keys. Oh, let's go. Magic keys. Yeah, if you guys want magic keys, highly recommend getting it. Highly recommend. You can get it. I have a link that I think you could save some money on it. Yeah, there's a link in the description. Oh, there it is in the chat too. All right. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Time to magic keys. Today it's 40% off. Yeah, I've seen that. That's crazy. Cyber Monday. Oh yeah, gang, we got a Cyber Monday deal on the signals if you guys want to purchase. Cyber Monday. Only on the 1 month though. Just the 1 month. If you guys want to get in the signals channel. All right, 3 seconds here. So let's see how we do. We got 9:30 coming in here. Oh no, no top wick? We may not get a top wick here, chat. Let's see the 15 minute. 15 close bullish here. 30 minute. I would really love, because we're going against the daily here, to see a top wick and then a break of the lows. Let's see if we can get that. Top wick, top wick. Do it for us.
What are you using? Previous candle stops?
Yeah, I'm going to use previous candle stops up here at like 2013. Just trying, just trying. Come on, come on. Come on. Do it for us, gold. Do it. All right, there it is. There it is, chat. Gonna have sell stops here on the break of the lows. Yeah, if we come back and re-break that low and then break the previous low, very high chance we're going downtown here. Oh, what happened here? Hold on. see. Not so boring now? Yeah, not yet. We'll see if we break the lows here. So yeah, sell stops right here. Oh, buy stops, sell stops. So yeah, chat, this is my exact order here. So sell stops at 2000, where is it? 2011-01. Yeah, 2011-01. Yeah, get rid of this one. Yeah, signal's good. 2011-01 here. Yeah, 2013-27 is going to be my stops. And then 2006-04 down here. Actually, we're going to extend that down to support level. But let's see if we get activated first. 22 pip stops. Yeah, not bad. Not too bad here. They call it. Let me go. Let's see the NASDAQ. Oh, damn. What the heck? Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, give this a few moments, and if it breaks the lows, you should see a drive. Yeah. Yeah, those lows are the 4-hour lows, 1-hour lows as well here. So previous 30 lows. So yeah. Where could I order the MAGA case? Why are you not entering now? Because it's not valid until we break the lows there. Yeah, when we break the lows, then this sell, it will be valid. But until then, it's not valid, right? Price could easily just drive up from here. So once it breaks those lows, it becomes valid according to our data, according to our playbook, and that's when I'll take that. Yeah, let me figure, I gotta figure something out here. Where's my bot? Where's me bot, man? Oh, if we break the high, we'll delete it. But if not, we'll keep this thing. Give me 1 sec.
Need the Qatar to come through? Facts. Hey, yo, boys, you smelling it?
Yes, sir. Yeah, lovely. So if we do break these lows here, all right, nice. I think I've gotten in. Yeah, so I'm in some sells, got into some sells here, chat. Stops are going to be kept above the previous 30-minute high. TP is going to be down here at 2002. And then this trade will be managed, I would say, right around this support level here, which is going to be about 17 pips in profit. So we'll see if we can get it here. We broke the lows. That was our entry. We should begin to drive down. Doom, doom, da, doom.
And that's all we do.
And that's you've done your job. So you've spotted the playbook position. You've executed on it. Your job is done. And now this trade is left into the hands of probability.
Literally.
Doom, 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 doom. Yep. TTE, yeah. So just as much as this could be a winning trade, it could also be a losing trade, gang, right? So always keep that in mind. There's always a probability that trades will go in our favor or against us, right? Always a probability. Yeah.
Sure.
Is this a celery play? Yes, this is a celery play. Yep. Yeah, we do have volume coming in here at 9. Well, it is 9:30 now, so you should see some volume push in. 15-minute candle is going to close here in 5 minutes. We'll see how this candle closes, and then yeah. Really no ways to manage this position at all just yet. Just going to wait. Be a good trade, sticking with the playbook. Yeah. Yep. Meditation time for me. There you go, Sam, man. TTM. Time to meditate. Yo, that's hilarious. Where's my stop loss? Everything's on the screen here. Yeah, this is the position move right here. Let's do this. A love and respect. A love and respect. Gold, no more quaking. No more quaking. Yep. All right. Yeah, give this some time. We may have more volume coming in at 9:45 here too. So
15 closer coming up in 3 minutes too. Maybe we could get an opportunity to manage risk also.
yep. Yeah, if we get a 15 resistance, that'd be awesome, right? And then the next candle would be the driver here. But if we close bullish on the 15 back above, then there may be something that we should do here. So we're just gonna let things run and let it play out.
Yep. But either way, our job here is done.
Yep. Job done.
TK, where you at, chat?
Where you at, chat?
Excuse me.
Oh, GJ driving here too. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. Oh, oh my God. NAS 100's all over the place here, man. What in the world? Wow.
US 30 hitting the craziest 1 hour pack runner I've ever seen.
US 30.
Look at that 1 hour top wick.
Yo, what happened here? NAS and US 30. Secrets. NAS did a U-turn. A Yui. A Yui. All right, 15-minute candle is going to close here. So it looks like we closed, let's see, bearish. So we got a bearish close, potentially creating a resistance. So yeah, just going to let this thing rock. Trying to make a top wick here. Wall Street earning data this week. Yeah, that's true. She wants the blade. Yeah, she's trying to bleed here. So there's really no way to manage risk at this point. Just gonna chill for a bit, right? Just gonna see if the volume comes in. It is gonna come in. It's gonna come one way or another. Yeah, we're just waiting on it here. So there's really no opportunities to manage anything at this point. Where's the V? The V. Where's the V? What broker do I use in the funded trader? I'm using ACAP. Yeah, ACAP. Eight cap. I gotta say they're pretty decent with gold. I don't really like them much for pound yen, but for gold they're pretty good. Yeah, they're pretty good.
Good.
Let me send this over to signals copy image. $15-minute broke the low. Yeah, broke the low. All right, let's see.
You break those previous lows.
Yep. Yep. This thing wants to bleed, dude.
I think so.
Wait. I agree.
Where's that volume?
I can smell it though.
15 looking good.
Yeah, I like the 15. Yeah,
Starting to smell it.
facts.
About to start rubbing my hands like bird, man.
Oh yeah, that's right. Happy Thanksgiving. How was everyone's Thanksgiving? Good? Yeah, I forgot. We haven't been on the live streams in a little bit here. Since Turkey Day. Why am I not quaking? What's going on? There you go. The weekend helped. The weekend helped.
Oh,
All right, so we just broke the lows there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move my stops to the previous 15 lows here. Or I mean, I'm sorry, the current 15 lows. We should not, after breaking that high, we shouldn't come back up and re-break that 15 high there. Yeah, so minimizing risk right here from 2% down to about a little bit over 1%.
And we got like 10 minutes left too. So 30-minute or hourly close, candle close.
Yep. Yeah, the hour broke the lows too, so we should get going here on the hour candle now. It's a trap. Yeah, let's see the 1 hour here. Yeah, 1 hour should start driving if it wants to fill the wick, right? We've got volume. This is when the wick will get filled. So we'll see.
news is coming. News is coming. We know. Trust.
What we got? Orange folder, right?
We got consumer confidence. Yeah, I don't know. They're not expecting too much of a change.
Dum, 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 dum. Blader incoming? Yeah, I think so. I think we should fill this wick in the next 8 minutes here.
I think so as
Previous lows broke on the 15 there. Damn, I got slipped on this. Slippy do.
Say something. Why are you all silent? What do you mean?
Hey yo.
Chat's quaking.
Everyone just
Check
got
wag.
slipped.
Chat slowed down since we got in the trade.
Yeah, where you at?
What's going on?
Let's see here. Dollars flying up. Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. Let's take a look at the
That's
dollar
nice.
here.
Oh, hey, what up, everyone?
Oh, nice. Bink, 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 bink. Yeah, dollar's breaking the highs there.
Everyone looking at their terminal.
We're just on our hands and knees praying. Yo, that's. Hey, we've already cut our risk in half at this point, though. So everyone
For real.
should be good. You should have been good with your original risk, and now you've cut it in half. You should be chilling.
Facts. Oh yeah, no, for real though.
Let's get a blader.
And plus, man, the trade's out of your control at this point. So don't waste any breath quaking over it.
Yeah. What do I do? Nothing. Nothing. Where was my stop loss? My stops were originally above the previous 15 high for 33 pips, or the previous 30 high, and now they are sitting above the previous, or the current 15 candle at 11 pips. So they went from 23 or 24 to about 11 here. Yeah, this 1 hour is giving us a problem. Oh, we're coming up to this 15 high here. We shouldn't break. If we want to go down, we shouldn't break it. If we want to go up, let's get out of here now, right at the break of that high. But if we do want to go down, we should not break this high here. Buy or sell? Bail. Do a bail. Oh. I might get stopped here. I might get stopped half risk. Let's see.
Yeah, I got stopped.
Yeah, I think I'm still in here.
Word.
Yeah, I'm still in. We want to see it drive. If it pushes up again, we'll most likely get stopped here with half risk. Yeah, 30 should not be flipping bullish here. Five created a top wick. Oh, damn. Oh, my stops are probably coming here.
You got above the candle?
Yeah, above the 15 highs here. Yeah, almost. Almost.
Oh.
Check news. Check news. Yeah, news is coming out here in 3 minutes. Can we survive the news and then push down? Come on. Come on. Do it for us, gold. Remove stops. That's not good. Reason for the trade? 30-minute celery play. So 30-minute closure below the range, another bullish close below the range as well. Break of the lows was the entry. And yeah, that was the move. Yeah, we started off with stops above these 30-minute highs here. And then as we broke the previous 15 lows, we decided to move the stops to above the current 15-minute candle. Because that high shouldn't break if we're going to move down here. No loss if you have no stop loss. Yeah. John left? Nah, I'm sure he just went to grab a water bottle or something like that. Two-minute quick.
Wait, today's the 27th. I'm looking at the
20
whole wrong.
Yeah,
We only
27.
have new home sales.
Yeah, we don't have any major. Is that orange folder, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
This whole time I'm thinking we have consumer confidence.
Nope. We got this
I'm a clown, bro.
yeah, orange folder here at 10. Come on, bleed here for us, Goldie. Magical stops. Yeah.
Also, why not?
What's the bot shortcut for bleeder? What is that again? Man down, right? Or something?
It's sell.
Man, oh yeah, sell. Exclamation point sell. Man down, man down. Yeah, let's take a look at the NASDAQ here. Moving up. Silver. Silver trying to make a way down here too. US 30 quick. All right. I think we got a closure here. Oh, that's a bummer. That's a bummer. This thing's going to bleed. Yeah, I think I got stopped there. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, this will probably push up now. Beautiful. All right, so we managed risk there. We cut our loss in half. Excellent job there. I think we only risked a little bit over 1%. Full stops would have got hit right here. So W job at managing risk there, making sure that we were moving stops down as we started breaking lows on the lower time frames, and we reduced our risk by half. Yeah, reduced it by half. Full stops would have been tapped right there, and that, my friend, like Raja would say, is a W. Managing risk is just as important as winning a trade. Yeah.
That was great.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, now we just wait. All we could do, remember, our job was done when we executed on the 30-minute celery, right? Other than that, there was nothing else that we could do outside of just managing risk a little bit there, which we did. And that was the beauty. So let's mark this one up. I think this is the first loss since the 2nd of this month. So very nice. 9:30. Very rare that we lose a 9:30 celery trade. Very, very rare. Gold sell. That was breakout celery. 30-minute. Yeah, that's our best move right there. We're going to put half since we minimized that risk, and I think it was 12 or 13 pips, right? Let's see. Oh, damn. Yeah, we would have been stopped.
Yeah, great job.
That was good risk management.
Yeah. Yeah, it took about a 10 pip loss there. 10 pip. Let me, let's go back here. So for those in the boot camp, had we been using our previous risk management, we would have we would have taken a loss there, but we would have taken a 24 pip loss instead of a 10 pip loss. So W job, that was a lot of we went over this in the boot camp too about managing risk and taking action, right? When just like a rabbit or a gazelle gets, once the first sign of threat comes, they're gone, right? So there wasn't really we could do about managing positions and cutting anything. It was just more so let's bring our stops down, like let's make it more logical, right? If we would have closed partials, we would have done that for no reason. Yeah. Ba, ba, ba. Only took one trade today. First time in a year. Oh, nice. Very nice. Yeah.
First time in a year? Wow, that's. I wonder how that feels. Must feel good.
Must feel great. Yeah, so what did the 4 hour do? So 4 hours still moving up here. 1 hour broke the highs there. 30-minute obviously broke the highs. Yeah. Yeah, good job at skating out of that. If you guys managed risk there with me, that was good. There was nothing else we could have done there. Yeah, W position. Yeah, how did the news come out? I guess it was good for the dollar here. Oh,
Bad.
terrible for... Really?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
so
I'm
you
sorry.
see-
Bad for the dollar. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, wow.
Wow.
So, obviously, we didn't have that information until we pretty much got stopped out.
Right, and I mean, like, how often that candle even closed bearish on a 30-minute? How often do you see
Oh, yeah.
a bearish 30-minute candle print, and then the next one opens up, drives
Yeah,
up,
at
breaks
9:30.
highs? Yeah. So, just probabilities, not in our favor. It's all right. I
Yep.
take that every single time I see it though, because that looks like money to me.
Sir.
And that's it.
Ditto. Is it going to keep going up? Oh, we'll see. We'll see. Looks like we're rejecting here. Now we'll get the blader. I hate Forex now. How many people left the stream after the L? Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Hold on. Yeah, let's bring it up. 2,700 to 23. Not that bad. Not too many people. About 500. About 500 left. They said we're out of here. Oh wow, look at this. Broke the lows now. Funky, funky. 1 hour celery. 4 hours getting going here after making a steep top wick. Interesting. You will most likely drive down here now.
What do we do now? We watch.
We just watched this thing do what we wanted it to do. There was our partials right there. So whoever removed their stop, you won today. No. No stop. I can't get stopped. Can't lose a trade with no stop loss. Any possible buying entry? I wouldn't say so. Yeah, that was the move that we wanted, right? We just wanted it on this candle. I mean, this candle would have been fine too, but damn, we didn't need all that.
Yeah,
You
can't
didn't need to-
expect that end of the market at all. So like, I really like, managing the risk there with the risk management B, because
Yep.
if we'd have just held full stops, we'd have took twice the loss.
Yep.
And like,
For no
it
reason.
was gonna go up no matter what. So,
Yeah.
well, I mean, like, in that situation, so it's just gonna keep moving up. Hit your
Mhm.
stops, but just get out. It's alright.
Yep.
On to the next one.
Just like we
Now,
take.
the question is, how many people got emotional and took a buy when they saw that big candle shooting up? That's my
Rough.
question.
Rafi's about to step into G check. W price action,
Obviously,
L
you're
on
gonna have
news.
somebody. Yeah, you're gonna have somebody who probably took the sales at the last minute up there. Now he's in crazy profits, guaranteed.
Oh, I'm sure.
Let me you know what? Price is going up. Price is going up. Let me take a buy. Right back down. Oh my god, price is going down. Let me take a sell. Right back up. Who's been there? Yeah, I'm trying to think if we could have done anything better there while in the trade. I don't think we could have. Yeah, I don't think we could have done anything better here.
That was great.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, we tapped
true.
right in
Only
there.
Monday.
Lovely.
It's only Monday.
Yeah, the best part is the price is doing what we wanted it to do. I mean, outside of this absurd wick up, we anticipated this 1 hour, 4 hour would move down here, and that's exactly what happened. Just got wicked out. Use previous 4 hour highs. Only thing that would have been how deep were those? Those were 57 pips. So yeah, nah. Nope. Yeah. I think we did everything that we were supposed to do, and now we just move on to the next trade. Time to journal. Look at the 4 hour. Let's look at it. Let's see. Yeah, no, everything looked good. Oh, nice. Minty gold. Dollar? Yeah, dollar was moving up, and then what happened here? We yeah, we were moving up pretty good here on the dollar, man. Then all of a sudden just rejected. Dollar. Oh, I like this. Take your focus back to how you're feeling right now. Compare it with how you used to feel before the weekend. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hey, I seen someone post, instead of FOMO, it's JOMO. So anytime you're feeling of missing out, just have the joy of missing out. Just look at it and smile.
Yeah, true. So I was like, what we do now? We watch. So it's late.
Yep. Yeah, 9:30 brought 0 volume for us today. This is 9:30 candle here today. This guy right here. Wow. Yeah, I haven't seen a dud like that at 9:30 in a while. It's a dud. JOMO, yeah, there you go. Joy of missing out. This loss felt good. I don't know why. I'll tell you why. It's because you stayed disciplined to your playbook. It's because you actually took a loss today that was within the playbook. It wasn't a random trade. It wasn't a random move that you were trying to catch. You had a plan today. You stuck with that plan. You've seen that we had a breakout here and a celery play at 9:30. You have to take this trade, right? If you're us and you trade the way we trade, this is a must trade right here, right? This is a, you have to take this position, right? Because this is a 92% win rate position. Once we did that, that was our job. That was all we could do at that point. Like we said when we entered, right? We did our job, and now the trade is left up to probability. So 30-minute candle, you know, closed like a dud pretty much for 9:30, and then, you know, we just got wicked out there. Yeah, but that's why you feel good, because you followed everything to the T today. That you knew you took a logical trade and a logical position, and it's totally fine to take a loss. Yeah. Yeah, we get the loss out early this week. Yeah, I think that is second loss here of the month, right? Yeah. Yeah, second loss of the month there. Let's update the record and stuff too. Let's yeah, hold on. Let me see something. Let me just measure this out. Someone said it was 13 pips. That could be the case. Let me check because I might have gotten slipped. Yeah, like, yeah, I think it's more like 15 here. Yeah, so let's put 15 on there. Let me see something. Hold on one sec. Oh. Yeah, one sec. Oh yeah, hold on. I thought I was a survivor there for a minute. Price went right to it. Let me see. Hold on. I'm watching the replay. Yeah, all over the place. I think the only other thing that we could have maybe have done better, but when 9:30 comes around, again, hindsight's 2020, right? When 9:30 comes around, a lot of times it's, you know, it's gonna go, right? But I think the only thing maybe we could have done better was just stayed completely out of this range here. That's it. Other than that, I think it was good. But when 9:30 comes around, presents a celery play with a wick to fill and a support to retest, then you gotta pull the trigger.
And we already know, you know, with what we've seen, when volume comes in, it comes in for good. So anything is going to be destroyed.
Yeah. Yeah. Kind of looking like a no trade range. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of... So that's probably the only other thing we could have done differently is just completely stayed out the range. Just said, you know what? This is no bueno. It showed $1 profit. Hey. Did it really show $1 profit? Yeah, I'm gonna be listening to this a little bit later. This somebody recommended this, The Powerful Influence of Mindset of Trading, The Path to Peaceful Investing. These two guys right here. Yeah, I'm gonna check this out later. See you tomorrow. All right, CP7. Nick, the 15-minute support had a support, small one, but definitely. Let me check. Yeah, this guy right here, right? Yeah. So typically when volume's gonna come in, it will blast through these and retest the main support. But yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, I think in general we may have been we probably would have been best staying out of here. Yep. Staying out of this. But that's about it. But when a 930 celery comes around, you can't let those go. Classic Monday. Yeah. Oh, 100 likes to 1,000. Can we get to 1,000 likes here today for Cyber Monday? Cyber. Let's get 1,000 likes for Cyber Monday, eh? Yeah, TTW now. Yup. Yup. Now the 4 hour is chalked here, right? 1 hour is disgusting. 30 minutes really not looking the greatest either at this point. So everything's starting to look horrible. Horrible. Yeah, I don't think there's going to be moves today here. Yeah, I think that was it. I think that 930 move was either it or nothing here. I think we may range a bit now until Asian session. Let's see. Remember, the daily tapped that resistance there. So you may not get much more out of this candle here today. It may just kind of fluctuate now. Back and forth on these lower time frames here. So I think we'll call it an early one here today. Yeah, I think we'll call it oh, it's actually 10:30, so not that early. So yeah, I think we'll call it a day here, chat. Yeah, not going to be much happening. I think price going to range a bit throughout this zone here today. So we'll come back. I don't think I'll take any positions today, even off stream. I think it's best that we wait for this daily candle to close and then we come back tomorrow. What do y'all think?
I agree.
Yeah, I agree too.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah, sounds like a plan. All right, cool. Alrighty, boys. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Yes, sir.
See you, chat.
All right, boys. See you guys on Wednesday.
Yeah, because it's already Tuesday.
Peace. Yep.
All right, Johnny boy. I'll see you later. He's somewhere in the background there. All right, chat. Yeah, great job here today. Had to take that trade. Good job at managing risk for those who followed suit. Beautiful, beautiful. W's on the way out here today. We'll come back and we'll be back tomorrow. We got a full week ahead of us here today, or this week. So we'll come back at it tomorrow and see what the markets have to offer. So love y'all. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Enjoy it. Really, really enjoy the day today. All right, get off the charts. Go out. Enjoy your time. Enjoy your life. And we'll come back here tomorrow. Go get a steak or something. Big ribeye. All right, chat. Love y'all. Have a great one. All right. Peace.